Hello friends, I am Tej BK. Welcome to International Leaks. Today we will discuss uprising in Afghanistan against the Taliban. Let's find out. Now, Afghan people stood against the Taliban regime after Taliban killed an innocent young man in Panjshir Valley. All the Afghan protesters took to the streets and chanting, "Death to Taliban, death to traitors, death to puppets, live long Ahmad Massoud." The second day of protest in Panjshir, brave women activists joined the protest to stand up against the Taliban and their extrajudicial killings of innocent people in Afghanistan. A woman says the Taliban are afraid of women. Whatever the Taliban's order is to stop women and girls from school and work. Recently, Taliban arrested journalists who were covering women's demonstrations. Taliban opened fire on women, arrested journalists and deleted all pictures and videos from their cameras. The people of Panjshir continue to protest against the daily bloodshed of Afghan innocent people. Even Taliban's head of security for Panjshir accepted that the units from the Taliban's Ministry of Defense entered the houses of the civilians and killed them. A brave lady from Panjshir expresses women's side about Taliban in Mujahideen Council in Panjshir. NRF spokesperson says civilians who live in the occupied main valley of Panjshir are rising up and raising voices against the Taliban oppressors. They are chanting "Long live Ahmad Massoud" and NRF. They are starting a peaceful uprising while their brothers in arms are resisting from the side valleys. A Panjshiri lady whose brother was killed by Taliban says, "You poor Pakistani coward, how can you kill my brother?" This is the pain of Afghan women and men. According to the pro-NRF, Taliban have arrested nearly 30 residents of Khenj district of Panjshir province and are currently torturing them. Taliban arrested these men after several their fighters were killed and injured in an ambush by National Resistance Forces. According to the pro-NRF, around 25,000 Pashtuns men and Pakistani fighters are present in Panjshir Valley. They commit ethnic cleansing and extrajudicial killing. Taliban are continuing to kill innocent Afghan youth. We have lots of images and footage, but we cannot show you. Meanwhile, Taliban's Deputy Finance Minister Abbas Satanic says there are only two superpowers in the world, the United States and the Taliban. For more updates, subscribe our channel International Leaks. Thanks for watching.